everyone, welcome back to my channel J Studio. Today I'm here with another home improvement project for you. As you know, we had shifted to a new house and I still have a lot of work to be done. I don't have a dressing table in my room as yet, so I decided to create a vanity area for myself on this slab. I have chosen this corner to be transformed into my vanity. These windows remain closed most of the time, so this slab is mostly used as a countertop in my room. I have this beautiful, fluffy, furry, very heavy rug which is unused as of now. I am adding this in the base. This would create a separate area for the vanity which will segregate it from the rest of the slab. Placing this DIY box where I store all my nail polishes. My sunglasses go at the back to give it support. Placing this mirror which I got it framed from a local store. Now to place my stuffs, I have taken this basket from Xoxo, which is a very sturdy woven one made out of plastic. These are all the things that me and my husband require on daily basis. So I'm gonna start placing them inside the basket. You can see there is no chance of a mess and things are now very easy to access. I have reused this box of Ferrero Rocher chocolates to store all my small jewelries. These are the earrings that I wear on daily basis. Placing my lipstick rack here. This place is empty where I will keep this terracotta pot. I had DIY'd this by painting it and the lid was nicely decorated with silk threads. I will be storing some miscellaneous items here like safety pins, a travel lock, etc. And the most important, cotton balls, which I use daily to remove makeup. Do you see this giant whiskey glass? I will be placing this behind the pot and will store taller things like comb and hairbrush. I'm also recycling this small box to keep smaller things like sample size products, etc. I am adding this small Decor bucket which I had inside the basket to store some of my eye pencils, etc. Also keeping this basket at the side, which you sometimes need just to put knickknacks and miscellaneous items. Also placing this mirror on top, which I use usually during makeup. And it's ready. My vanity area is ready. I know this is a temporary solution, but it works for me for now. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Do press the like button if you like it and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you, and I will see you soon.